Video I will tell you that how to delete YouTube history. So first of all, you need to open up Chrome. Here we will not open up the YouTube app. We will not do this from YouTube app. Okay, so once you have opened up your YouTube history here, you need to go to this link here where it says the myactivity.google.com. Okay, so we will just refresh this link here, and once you are in this link here, make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account that is associated with your YouTube uh, channel. Okay, and then you will basically scroll down here. If we just go back from here, you will scroll down here and you will see this option where it says YouTube history. Just tap on this, and if you scroll down here, here it says manage history. Okay, so once you are here, you will just tap on this manage history option here, and now you can basically like select. So there is a feature here where it says auto delete. So if this is turned on, this will automatically delete your YouTube history after 3 months. But if you want to delete the history manually, then you will just do this, like just tap on this one, and here it says de deleting now. So then okay, and do this. So that's how to delete YouTube history. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.